Here we will see user-defined function with parameters in PHP. Information can be passed to functions through arguments. An argument is just like a variable. Arguments are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. You can add as many arguments as you want, just separate them with a comma. Here is an example for PHP function with an argument. Here function number is defined with one parameter number, and inside the function with echo statement phone number is printed. When we execute the function with parameter value, it will print phone number is value that we have given in the bracket. Next is default argument value. When we pass variables as parameters in a function and we don't specify the argument value, then it will take the default value as argument. Here is an example. Here function num display is defined with default argument value as $number equal to 20, and inside the function echo statement is used to print the entered number value. When we execute the function and if we pass the value 25 to the function parameter, it will print the entered number is 25. And if we don't pass any value to the function, it will display the entered number is 20, which is the default value given to the number. Next is multiple arguments with the function. You can pass more than one parameter to PHP function. These parameters are separated by comma. Example for explaining this PHP function with multiple argument is, here function sum display is defined with two parameters num1 and num2, and inside the function num3 is assigned with the value num1 plus num2, and the addition of two numbers is displayed as a num3. And to execute this function, when we call the function with two parameters 5, 5, it will print the addition of two numbers is 10. Next is PHP function with arguments and with data types. PHP automatically associates a data type to the variable depending on its value. In PHP 7, type declarations were added with the function where you can specify the expected data type while declaring the function. It will throw a fatal error if the data type mismatch. Here is an example which defines the PHP function with data type. Here function add number is defined with two variable data types int a and int b. In $C we have added a plus b, and in echo statement we have printed addition is $C. When we call the function add numbers and we will pass the parameters 5, 5, it will give the output 10. Next is PHP functions with returning value. You can allow a function to return a value using return statement. Here is an example which specifies the PHP function with returning value. Here function sum is defined with two variables int x and int y, and in $z x plus y is calculated, and here we will return the value $z, and here with echo statement we have called this function. So the output will be 5 plus 10 15, 7 plus 13 20, and 2 plus 4 6, since here we have called the function 3 times. Next is PHP return type declaration. PHP 7 also supports type declaration for the return statement. To declare a type for the function return, add a colon and then add type right before the opening curly bracket when declaring the function. You can specify a different return type than the argument type, but make sure the return is correct type. Here function add number is defined with data type float A and float B, and the return type is also specified as a float. And inside the function, A plus B is returned. If we execute the function add numbers with 1.2 and 5.2 as a parameter, the output will be 6.4. Next is passing arguments by reference. In PHP, arguments are usually passed by value, which means that a copy of the value is used in the function and the variable that was passed into the function cannot be changed. When a function argument is passed by reference, changes to the argument also change the variable that was passed in. To turn a function argument into a reference, the AND operator is used. Here is an example. Here function add5 is defined with parameter value is passed as a reference. And inside the function we have added 5 to the value. Then another variable num is defined which assigned value 2, and when we pass the num as a parameter to the function, the output will be 7.